Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mezabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So as by the title, you guys must be knowing that it's a Halloween look. So it's a Gothic Halloween tutorial today, and yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. So first I am applying this wig, and this wig came with this outfit, and you guys have seen my full outfit in the beginning of this video. So yeah, I am wearing this wig on top of my natural hair, and literally I don't like this wig, but it's like I don't like it. That's it. So I am just like parting my hair in two sections, then I am twisting this side of my hair backwards and creating a bun, and it's just a bun, natural looking bun. As you guys can see it here, it's nothing fancy here. And then I am just securing my bun with some bobby pins, and I have used few of the bobby pins to secure my hair properly so that it doesn't come out. And yeah, you guys know, but I just love it, and I am doing the same with the other side of my hair, and I just love the way it is now. And you guys have seen in the beginning the back side of my hair, and I am wearing some black earrings. Then here I am applying this model called Instant Brows Pencil. So this is in shade dark brown, and I am applying in a messy way. This has to be messy, it doesn't has to be perfect, but just because it's a Halloween look. And this is in shade dark brown, and it really matches my eye color. So literally I love it so much, and yeah, I am doing it like I do it every day. And this brow pencil, it is so good. It has the other side the application brush, so like the brush which always comes like you have to buy it separately, but this product comes with the brush. The other side same as that Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think, pencil, which I hate somewhere, and I just love this brush. I am brushing my brows upwards just because I want my hair to go upwards and to look bit messy here. But yeah, my hair is not that big, so yeah, it doesn't look messy. So here I am using Max Prep and Prime primer, and it's a base primer. So I am applying this all over my face, as you guys can see here. And to be honest, I am using this product for the first time. I think I have used for the first time this Max Prep and Prime primer, just because I have been using the other I think that Prasalis Unicorn Essence Oil, I think serum something. So I have used this Australia's Brow Lift Concealer under my brows, and then I have like sprayed some of that setting spray on the blender by Morphe, and I am applying this foundation, Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation by Maybelline, and this one is in shade 36 Warm Sun. And it doesn't look warm here just because it is way too light for my skin tone, and I needed a lighter shade of foundation for my skin tone. And then this guy came, my husband brought me some coffee, so yeah, I am having some yummy coffee and doing my makeup. So yeah, I am just pressing the foundation on my skin, and then I am applying this concealer. It's by Wet n Wild. They are photo focus concealer corrector, and I am using this product for the first time too, and I like it. I don't know, but I like it. I will be using in my other videos too. And then to set all this up, I am using this product by Revlon. This is their color stay pressed powder in the shade 820 light to pale. I love it so much, and I am using this blush here. I am not contouring my face today just because I want my face to look like as white as it is, just whiter than my like neck. I think that's the way I want it. And then I'm setting my face with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, and here I am using this Morphe's palette 35C for my eyes, and I am taking this purple shade here, and these shadows are really pigmented and I really like it. So I am applying this shadow on my crease, as you guys can see here, and I am applying blending this color. So I just love this purple. It matches my outfit here so nicely, and literally it's such a gorgeous color. And here I am using this eyeliner pencil, and it's one side white and one side black, and it's a big eyes liner pencil, and I am just applying it on my eyelid, as you guys can see here. And I will be just applying two shadows here, black and purple, and also this pencil. This is a big liner pencil, as you guys I don't know, but if you guys have used it, I just got this a few months ago. Then I thought, okay, I'll try this today. And I am also lining it like under my eyelash here, and also onto my waterline. I will be applying. This is a really a beautiful liner, and like it's really pigmented. I can see the color, and it's very easy to apply too, and it's by Maybelline. So I am taking this black eyeshadow here, and this eyeshadow you have to be very careful because it will drop off on your face if you have done your face makeup first, like I have done it now. So you have to be very careful with this eyeshadow, and I am blending it off here, and like blend, and then I am taking some more of that purple shade, and the brush here I am using is by BH Cosmetic, and the other brush I have used, I think it was by Zoeva. I am not sure which brush was that, but I think I am using Sigma, Morphe and Zoeva brushes here, and I am using small brush here to blend this purple, same purple under my eyes here, and also blending it on the inner corner of my eyes. And then I am taking that same black pencil by Maybelline and applying it onto my waterline. If you guys like my video, please subscribe to see more. And yeah, I am also lining my eyelid here, so with the same pencil. And yeah, I told you guys I will only use black and purple here, and it's very easy to create this kind of Halloween look. I'm very happy that I have done this look. I wasn't ready to do a Halloween look, but it's done. So here I am using this mascara, and this mascara is Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara in the color E15 1B black, and I really like it. And the applicator is really small. I think it is good for lower lashes, but I am applying this just because like I will be applying falsies later, so it's really good. So here I am taking these lashes which I bought from eBay a few years back, and I really like it, and it's very good for this kind of looks. And the glue, you guys know which glue it is, and this glue is really good. I like it. I think I bought it from Glam Rider or Sephora. I think Glam Rider, I'm not sure. And then I am lining my lip with this Maybelline's. This is actually a eyeliner pencil, but I am using it as a lip liner here, and it's by Maybelline and in the color purple, and I just love it. It's very pigmented, so pigmented, and I am using it like on my lips. I love it so much, and I've got like nearly all the colors of this eyeliner. And then I am using this Wet n Wild's, no, it's not Wet n Wild, I think it's Colourpop's Ultra Matte lipstick, and this one is in shade Guess 6K02, and look at the color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And then I am just overlining my lip with the same liner, and I wanted my lips to look a bit bigger, so that's why I am overlining my lips. As you guys can see here, I just love the way this look came out. Wow, it's just so pretty to me. What you guys say? Just leave me a comment below what you think about this look, this gothic vampy kind of look. And then I am just applying this black liner on the glue which is showing here, so that it looks perfect. And here I am taking this light black or grayish black shadow and doing my neck. I just love the way this look came out. I wasn't sure of like doing this neck stuff, but I thought, okay, I haven't done much to my face, only eyes and lips, so I will give something to my neck, so some kind of effect to my neck. So literally I just love the way it came out. It's literally so beautiful. I just love the way it came out, and my neck looks so gorgeous. And I also applied some of that black shadow just because that gray black wasn't showing out up much, so I have used same black shadow I have used on my eyes. And oh gosh, look at the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and also join me on all social media sites. I love you all, and I will catch you guys later in my next video. Bye.